How to sign in Bybit account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sign in or log into your Bybit account. So let's get started. First, open your Bybit app or visit the official Bybit website. After you open Bybit app, you will get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom, tap on login now. And from here, you'll have to provide your email address or password from where that account is associated, as you can also provide your phone number and password. After you provide the correct credential on the section, tap on login now. After the verification will complete, you will be able to log in with your Bybit account on Bybit app, as you can also recover your password if you have forgot. For that, tap on forgot password, and from here, as you have to provide your email address or phone number, and from there, after the verification will complete, you'll be able to recover and log in with your Bybit account on Bybit app. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.